Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're about to blow this whole survey game wide open. We're talking about how to rake in those sweet, sweet survey invitations so you can start earning some serious cash. We're not talking about pennies here, people. We're talking about turning your downtime into a money-making machine. Are you ready to get paid for your opinion? Let's do this! Alright, first things first, you want those survey invitations flooding in, right? Then listen up. Your profile is your golden ticket. Make sure every single detail is filled out, and I mean everything. We're talking age, location, hobbies, favorite color, the works. Survey companies use this information to match you with the perfect surveys. The more complete your profile, the more surveys you'll get. It's that simple. Don't be shy, let them know who you are. Think of it like this. Would you trust someone with messy hair and a food-stained shirt to give you their honest opinion? Maybe not. The same goes for your profile. Keep it clean, keep it updated, and watch the invitations roll in. Remember, a complete profile equals more surveys, and more surveys equal more money in your pocket. It's a no-brainer, people. Listen up, my money-hungry friends. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. We're going for survey domination, and that means signing up for every single survey platform out there. Think of it like a buffet, but instead of food, it's endless surveys. Sign up for every single one you can find, don't be shy. The more platforms you're on, the more surveys you'll see, and the more money you can make. It's simple math, people. Imagine trying to win a golden ticket, but you only buy one chocolate bar. Your chances are slim, right? But what if you bought 100 chocolate bars? 1,000? You see where I'm going with this? More platforms equal more opportunities equal more surveys, and more surveys equal more cash. It's a beautiful cycle. This next tip is crucial, people. You've got to be quicker than a cheetah on a sugar rush to snag those high-paying surveys. And how do you do that? By turning on those email notifications. We're talking ding, ding, ding. Every time a new survey pops up, you'll be the first to know. Imagine this. You're sitting at home, bored out of your mind, and suddenly your phone goes off. Ding, a brand new survey has just dropped. You jump on it like a spider monkey on a caffeine high, complete it in record time, and bam, more money in your pocket. But if you don't have those notifications turned on, you'll be stuck refreshing your inbox like a maniac, missing out on all the good stuff. Don't let that happen to you. All right, listen up, because this tip is going to save you time and make you more money. Not all surveys are created equal, my friends. Some surveys are looking for specific types of people, and that's where you come in. Pay attention to the demographics of each survey. Are they looking for college students, stay-at-home mums, retired astronauts? Whatever your niche is, there's a survey out there for you. Think of it like this. If you're a world-class chef, you wouldn't waste your time making peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, right? You'd be whipping up gourmet meals that showcase your skills. The same goes for surveys. Find the ones that fit your profile and you'll be raking in the dough in no time. Remember, focus on quality over quantity and watch your earnings soar. All right, champions, we're at the final boss of maximizing your survey earnings, consistency. Listen up, because this is crucial. You can't just expect to coast through this and make bank. You've got to put in the work. That means answering surveys regularly and honestly. Think of it like building a skyscraper. You wouldn't just lay a few bricks and call it a day, right? You'd show up every single day, brick by brick, until you reach the top. Surveys are the same way. The more you answer, the more reliable you become in the eyes of these survey companies. And guess what? Reliable people get more surveys. It's a beautiful cycle of earning potential. So stay focused, stay consistent, and watch those earnings reach new heights. There you have it, folks. My top secret tips to help you unlock the world of survey riches. Remember, your opinion is valuable, so get out there and get paid for it. Follow these tips, stay dedicated, and I guarantee you'll be swimming in survey cash in no time. Now go out there and conquer the survey world. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. See you in the next video.